Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing my June review of my Facetory 4Ever Fresh subscription and my unbagging for July, because July's bag just arrived this afternoon. So if you guys want to see what is inside, then keep watching. If you don't know what Facetory is, I'm going to tell you because it is one of my favorite subscriptions and I think you guys should sign up because it is amazing. It is a skincare subscription box. They do send out sheet masks. They have a bunch of different plans that you can get. I get the 4Ever Fresh, which is $8.90 a month, and that has 4 sheet masks in it, so it's perfect for using one once a week, which is what I personally really love to do. And I think that for $8.90, you're getting 4 masks. That's amazing. They also have their 7 Luxe box, which is $19.90 a month, where you get 7 sheet masks. And then they have their Luxe Plus, which is $34.95, and that you get masks and skincare items and like other little fun things, so it's not just masks, which is nice. I personally just like the 4Ever Fresh because I think it's more than enough, and just monthly I'm able to use up all of the products. I am not affiliated with Facetory at all, but I do have a referral link down below. I get points if you guys use my link, and those points I can get like free products with it. So if you guys want to sign up, thank you for using my code. I appreciate it. And let's get into June's review. The first mask from the June bag was the Facetory SOS Restoring Mask with Royal Jelly, and this retailed for $3.50. So this mask smelt a little weird. I couldn't really tell you what it smelled like, but it just smelled weird to me. And the piece of the sheet mask that went above my lip also dried out very, very quickly, and I don't really know why or how, but it dried up pretty quickly. But my skin felt really smooth and looked really dewy, so it did have some pros, even though there are some cons. I did like it overall. It didn't like break me out or anything. It just smelled weird in my opinion. Like, that was the one bad thing. Next up, we have the Beautiful Factor Glow Sponge Hydrating Mask, and this retails for $3. So I feel like in my last video where I did the unbagging for this mask, a lot of people were interested because of the sponge, and it felt spongier in the packaging. It wasn't like a sponge on my face. The mask itself was very, very fragile. It was very paper thin. I accidentally ripped it when I was applying it. I don't remember where I ripped it. I just put that I ripped it. But it also had a very nice light scent, which I did enjoy. Normally I don't really like scents, but if it's a nice light scent, then that's fine if it's not too crazy. I liked the scent of this, and my skin felt really good after using it. So overall, it was a really nice mask. Next up is the Yada Brightening Mask Pack, and this retails for $3.50. This I was really excited for because it says that there's limes in it, and it did not smell like limes. It didn't smell good at all, but my skin felt and looked good. Those are the only notes that I wrote about that mask because I just didn't like the scent at all about it. I felt like my skin did look brighter, because it was a brightening mask, so that's a plus. And last is this Matcha Deer Berry Mask, and this retails for $3.50. This had a slight berry scent, which was really nice and didn't disappoint, unlike the Yada mask. And my skin, after I used this, was glowing. It looked so good. I was so shocked. My skin, I used this in the morning before I went to work, and my skin just looked really good, and my skin felt really good. Everything looked really good and felt really good. So this mask I would definitely recommend. So overall, I think June was definitely worth it. Even though some of the masks didn't smell the best, their benefits definitely were there and they performed amazing. Now onto July's unbagging. So just got this in the mail. I just got home from work not too long ago, so we're gonna see what's inside. I have no idea. We always get a cute little postcard. This one just says, "You had me at Aloha." I normally put these in like when people order things off of my Poshmark or Mercai, just as like a little thank you. And July's theme is You had me at Aloha. Take a break, give your skin a treat with our Forever Fresh kit. This month is all about hydrating, moisturizing, and calming the skin during the hot summer months. Treat your skin. Trust us, your skin will feel like it's on vacation. This is perfect because my skin, I was in Ocean City, Maryland all weekend, and my skin is just a little wrecked right now. These masks are definitely going to give it that loving that it needs. So the first mask we have here is the PINCHme Cocktail Blue Hawaii Mask, and this retails for $3. First of all, the drink on this looks very, very good. I'm like into those slushy drinks right now, but this is supposed to provide exhausted skin with a nourishment it needs. This hydrating and calming sheet mask will make your skin feel like you're on a relaxing vacation. This is a go-to sheet mask for us when our skin feels super drained. This mask brightened our skin with a burst of vitamin C. The pineapple extract helps slough off dead skin cells while preventing blemishes and sun damage. The lemon extract works to make the skin glow like there's no tomorrow. These ingredients contain lots of antioxidants, so fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots should become nothing of the past. And this is great after a long day at the beach or before a big day. Well, where were you when I was in Ocean City? But this will be good when you have a long weekend at the beach. So I'm going to definitely do this tomorrow night because today is my exfoliating day and my skin needs some TLC. Next, we have the Elmalu Day Nature Mask Energizing Day, and this retails for $2.50. This says a brightening, nourishing, and hydrating daily sheet mask that will have your skin feeling refreshed and ready for hot summer days. The sheet mask is a pure bliss. It helped energize our skin with vitamin C and other awesome antioxidant-rich ingredients. Acerola cherry helped calm blemishes with its astringent properties, while royal jelly extract helped heal and moisturize our skin. It's super cooling and great for those morning sheet mask moments. I should definitely try that because I'm kind of like into the morning sheet masks right now. And this says use in the morning when you need a boost of some cooling goodness to wake up and get you ready to soak up the sun. So this sounds really, really nice. Definitely will use it in the morning and see if that helps and makes a difference in the skin. Next up is the Farm Stay Real Mango Essence Mask, and this retails for $2.50. This says brighten up your complexion with this mango sheet mask. It's the perfect mask for a boost of hydration to help refresh your skin. We tried this mask, we thought we were in paradise. The sweet scent from the mango extract lingers while using the mask. We were left with a dewy, bright complexion. Use night or in the morning when you want your skin to have extra boost of radiance. Go ahead and outshine everyone. You got this. So this sounds really nice. I've also been liking mangoes. I've been making like mango smoothies, and I'm excited for this because the scent of mango, I really like that scent as well. And the last mask is the Medi Heal NMF Hydrating Mask, and this retails for $2.50. This says, is your skin tired after a long day of strolling along on the park and basking in the sun? This sheet mask provides calming and healing properties that will boost the moisture of your skin, leaving it plump, dewy, and healthy. We are obsessed with the amazing skin healing ingredients in this sheet mask. Witch hazel water helped reduce our inflammation, irritation, and acne while also protecting our skin from damage and infection. In addition, our skin was left super moisturized thanks to the antioxidant Trehalose. I have no idea if I said that right. Which works to moisturize by matching the NMF natural moisturizing factor that is found in the outermost layer of the skin. So pretty much our skin was thanking us for the awesome treatment. And this is good for after a summer night out with friends. Where was this mask while I was away? Like, where were all of them? This sounds amazing as well. I'm super excited for all of these masks because they all sound amazing for summer. So that is everything that I got in my July Facetory 4Ever Fresh subscription. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of all these masks. If you think that this subscription is worth it, if you want to sign up, let me know. I definitely love it and recommend it. I think you guys would really enjoy it. It's a great subscription service. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media and leave comments, because those are some ways you can get a shout out in my video. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll see tweets that say retweet for a shout out. Or if you're following me on Instagram, you'll see sometimes I'll caption something with like a question, and if you answer it in the comments, that's how you can get a shout out in my videos. So this week's shout out is right here. Thank you for your support. Their links will be down below if you guys want to check them out. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.